Welcome to the QuadC platform as a student. Students can access the platform via their school's learning management system, such as Canvas, Blackboard, Brightspace D2L, and others. The QuadC platform integrates with existing apps on campus at the dashboard level or at the course-specific level. Students can find links similar to those seen on screen that will redirect them into the platform. Once the student is in the application, they can filter for the service that they're looking for on the left-hand side of the search page. They can also filter by the type of session that they're looking for, whether it be face-to-face or virtual, or group or one-on-one. Additionally, students can filter by list view or by schedule view, and also by keyword search, such as subject, topic, course, or name. Once a student finds an availability that they would like to book, they can click into that availability and fill out the booking form. The booking form can include a course, topic, or subject of the session, the type, whether it be in person or virtual, as well as some additional details about the session. They will also have to choose the time that they're looking for. Students can manage their account via their dashboard. In their dashboard, they'll be able to see their upcoming, ongoing, pending, and past sessions, as well as a list of hosts that they've connected with, where they can choose to message them or book a new session with them. In the upcoming sessions list, this student has an in-person session as well as an online session, including the details of each. The dashboard is also useful for looking at account settings, such as the security or password settings, notification center, their calendar sync, and their sessions log. Students can also manage their sessions via their calendar. The calendar is a full monthly view of all of their past sessions, as well as their upcoming sessions in blue. Students can also use the Help tab at the top of the page to search for help articles, videos, and additional support.